Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, I want to feature a buddy of mine's video on an event that we went over to for a photo shoot with the GT4, as well as met up with TunerArmy and did some photo and some video of his car. So let's go ahead and roll that video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video of mine.
What's up guys, it's FougeTube here. I'm at my friend CoderMan's house and we're going to be taking his GT4 out. He has to move this thing out of the way. But we're going to be taking the GT4 out, do a little meet. I think it's in Boston, so I'll see you guys there. Guys, check out this interior. You got a nice gauge cluster there, classic Porsche. Key goes on the left side like any other Porsche. No buttons on the steering wheel. You got these weight reduction door handles. And these seats are worth an extreme amount of money. Look it up on the internet if you really want to. Carbon fiber buckets. Alcantara. No Apple CarPlay, but
Nope. No nav either.
no nav?
No.
It's okay. You don't need it.
I use Waze for everything.
Alcantara. Zero body roll.
Yeah, this car is the way. And it's not even in the top.
Here.
I don't know where to go.
At least we think we're here.
All right.
I mean, this definitely looks like it.
Yeah, it's definitely it. I just don't know where I'm supposed to park.
Yeah, you might be the first one here.
Oh, the dog park. Oh, that's cool. Oh, no, doggies. I'm going down the wrong way. Alright, I'm gonna park here for now.
There you go. It was rolling back for a second there.
Alright, so for the first thing about you recording?
Yeah.
Alright. So the first thing about this car is very important is it has electronic e-brake and it's a 6-speed manual. So I don't know if you got that on film or not, but my car literally just started rolling away. So if my insurance is watching, that didn't happen.
It was planned. We did that on purpose.
It was planned, absolutely.
So yeah,
no, seriously, this is my GT4 2016. I flew out to Colorado with my son and drove it home last spring, right before COVID. And this is my baby, so I take it to the track, I daily drive it. I drive it in the winter, as you can see from the tires and the wheel setup.
It's a 981, right?
It's a 981, yeah.
Okay, so it has the mid-engine motor, right?
Yep, yes, mid-engine. So one advantage to that is you get a little storage in the back, a little storage in the front. And then if I go ahead and pop this, ignore the absolute dirt in this car, you probably see.
try to stay close to you so we can get the best audio.
Yep.
But
so inside of here is where the engine is, and then these are basically just fills for your windshield washer, believe it or not, and your oil, or vice versa.
are they labeled? So you just...
Yeah, so if you actually pop this off, so that's oil.
Oh, okay, good, because you don't want to be guessing.
Yeah, no, you don't put oil. And then this is your windshield washer.
Okay.
It's funny as it goes to the front of the car, but...
Have you ever seen the engine of your car?
I have not personally seen the engine of my car. I, however, have seen the engine of a 981 GT4.
Okay.
In photos and video.
And now you get this exhaust, which sounds amazing.
So yeah, so down here we have the Valvetronic exhaust. My buddy's over there, hooked this up. It's actually forged carbon, which I will give FougeTube some better footage of what this looks like, not in the winter, to overlay. But essentially, I just have it, mostly stock with the exception of that. Everything else is stock. And yeah, I mean, like wing stock, I kept the same risers, I kept it basic.
Nice.
And then the inside, so the GT4 itself is what I wanted, but the carbon bucket seats is why I went to Colorado.
Look at that.
So they're carbon 918 inspired, and they're fixed. You can't move them. They can move in front and back and a little bit up and down, but you cannot change the angle that they pitch. For me, it hadn't been a problem. Some people don't like it. And then the most important most important feature is red seatbelts.
Yes, and the handles.
And the handles, yes.
For weight reduction.
Yeah, this car does not actually have door handles. It has door pulls.
Yep.
Which maybe gets me 5 pounds less.
Nice. That'll help you on the track.
Absolutely.
And then you got the drilled rotors in the rear.
Yeah, so the previous owner put slotted in the front and drilled in the rear. I was told the reason is because to upgrade the braking performance from stock, because he did track this car. It is completely wrapped, and then I had Craft Detailing and Denim put Octocoat Pro on it.
Okay.
And that's why I drive it in the winter.
Looks good.
Yeah, if you get really close, it's dirty. But right here, it looks good.
Yeah, well, as long as it's in the shade.
Yes.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks so much for telling us about it.
Yeah, no worries at all.
I don't know, guys, should I do the same thing and put a tow hook on my Fiesta? I don't know. What can I tow? Probably nothing. Big shout out to TunerArmy with the C6 Z06 and also to Drive Hub with the C5 Corvette. Check out their own YouTube channels. I'll link it below. They came all the way from New Hampshire, got this little photo shoot together, so check it out. Classic Porsche parking right there. call it nowadays. Oh. Alright guys, so that's it for our little trip to Boston. But right now, CoderMan is actually going to be taking my car out for a little spin and a little review, so check that out on his channel here, CoderMan. And I'll see you guys next time for FougeTube. Peace.